The movie is a very good story for OFWs. Makikita natin yung dalawang mukha ng isang OFW. A documented OFW and undocumented. Sana po marami pang ganitong klaseng movie.
Nag-retire na ho ba kayo?
Hindi ho ako retired.
Nawala ho kayo kasi sa TV.
Kuya, excuse me lang ho kasi may contract signing ako eh.
Si Emmanuel Hidalgo po, karakter ni Carlo Aquino, ay nagpakasakali makahanap ng trabaho sa Japan. Mas maganda po kung maging legal po tayo sa pagpunta para wala ko tayong magiging problema. Kung mapapanood niyo po ang Crosspoint, may encounter po yan ni Carlo Aquino, Manuel Hidalgo.
You speak good English.
So it was international project. So we had Filipino actors and Japanese actors. We shot both in Manila and Tokyo. So we had a lot of exchanges and timing and like work ethics and the flow is different. So it was really hard. But at the end, that energy and the conversation became really vibrant and got a lot of energy in the film too. So it came out really good.
I saw him earlier.
Siguro parang kahit gano'n tayo ka-desperate, sumunod tayo sa batas para, alam mo na, hindi tayo mapahamak. But most of all, ang takeaway dito is yung family. Marirealize mo kung gaano ka-importante yung pamilya.